So in the previous video, we discussed how to analyze probabilities. In this video, we're going to use notations to shorten and simplify the writing process of it. That's really all there is. And hopefully we'll make the process a lot quicker. It makes us sound smarter. Now, let's look at this. P of A means probability of event A. That's how we denote it. And in our marble example, event A is to get a blue marble first with a probability of 2/5. So P of A equals 40%. There's a 40% chance, 2 out of 5 chances that you're going to get a blue marble out of a bag of 5. And event B is to get a blue marble the second time. But for that, we have two choices. If we got a blue marble first, the chances now is 1 in 4, right? And if we got a red marble first, then we have a 2 in 4 chance, a slightly higher chance to get the blue. So we have to say which one we want using the symbol of this straightforward bar, meaning given. So probability of B given A means event B given event A. In other words, event A has to happen first. Now what are the chances for B to happen? So probability of event B given A is also called the conditional probability of B given A. And in our case, the probability of selecting 2 marbles given the event that the first marble was already a blue is 1/4. So again, I want to bring your attention to this sentence. Event A has to happen first, and then now you're calculating event B, and that's what's called conditional probability of B given A. Okay. So here's a diagram. We used this earlier to analyze of getting blue marbles in my bag is 1/10. And the way we write it with our notation is P of A and B, probability of A, and then event B equals I calculate the P of A first multiplied by I calculate of event B happens given A. So this is a more elegant way of saying what I just said. Probability of event A and event B equals the probability of event A times the probability of event B given event A. Here's an example. Drawing 2 kings from a deck. There are 2 events in here. Event A is to draw a king first out of 52 cards. And event B is draw a second king, not a wing, a king second. There you go, out of 51 cards now. This is with no replacement. So for the first card, it's very straightforward. Probability of drawing a king is 4 out of 52 because there are 4 kings in a deck. But after removing a king, you only have 3 kings left and only have 51 cards left in total. So the second probability of drawing a king, the second chance, becomes 3/51. And therefore, in conclusion, probability of A and B equals probability of A times probability of B given A. So I have less than half a point, less than 0.5% of a chance of getting 2 kings right. So 0.5%. So it's pretty slim, right? So this is some algebraic maneuvering for you to find a shortcut to do problems faster. If you don't know this, it's okay. You just plug in the probabilities. You will do your algebra that way anyway. But this is a bit more conceptual. I do like it. So we take what we learned just now, which is probability of A and B equals probability of A times probability of B given A. We swap the sides. This side goes to, left goes to this side, and right? We get to the second step, And then from the second step here, we divide P of A on both sides. So we end up with this formula right here, which is probability of B given A equals probability of A and B divided by probability of A. So it's pretty straightforward. This helps you to get your calculation a little faster. And here's an example. 70% of your friends like chocolate, 35% like chocolate and strawberry. What percent of those who like chocolate also like strawberry? So the probability of strawberry given chocolate equals the probability of chocolate and strawberry divided by probability of chocolate. So you plug in the numbers, and 50% of them like chocolate as well as strawberry. And I would count myself as one of those. All right, guys, take care now. That's the end of the lesson. Bye.